Hi there friends, welcome back to Gibs Brush Art, where we create, colour and have tons of fun. Today we're going to draw and colour a super cool giraffe. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Gibs Brush Art.
First, let's draw our giraffe. Start with a big oval for the body. Now add a long neck. Giraffes have the longest necks, don't they? Next, draw 4 tall legs and a cute little tail. Oh, and don't forget the head with 2 tiny horns and those adorable ears. Now, here's the fun part. Let's add the giraffe's spots. Draw lots of circles and ovals all over its body. Giraffes have such unique patterns, and you can make yours as creative as you want. Okay, now it's time to colour. Next, let's make those spots pop. Use orange to colour all the circles and ovals we drew. Orange and yellow look so awesome together, don't they? Keep colouring until your giraffe is full of beautiful, bright spots. Wow! Look at your giraffe. It's so colourful and happy. Great job, artists. Grab your yellow crayon or marker. We're going to colour the giraffe's body yellow. Yellow like the bright sunny sky. Colour carefully. And don't worry if you go outside the lines. Art is all about having fun. Don't forget to add some green for grass or a blue sky in the background if you want. Make it your own masterpiece. That's it for today's video. Thanks for joining me at Gibs Brush Art. If you had fun drawing and colouring your giraffe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more creative adventures. See you next time, friends. Keep colouring and keep smiling. Bye-bye.